JD Power, this is our Bible, right? Rough, clean, and average retail. It's what most dealers use as a tool, especially for taking in bikes, but also evaluating retail on a used one. And then the NPA sold here on the third box. Now, one thing to note on here is if you're already using NPA as a value guide, sometimes their default will show bid but not reserved but not met, or bid but not sold, and then they'll usually do it in a 12-month time span. We only do transacted in our setting. So this is actual transacted bikes sold at the auction and nothing else. We also will dynamically put it into a shortest time frame available. So this one is our longest time frame because there hasn't been that many sold at auction, but it will go 12 months. And if there's more of them sold, we'll do 6 months. And then if there's a whole bunch of them, like a used Harley, we'll show you 3 months as an average. But basically, this is a 12-month. So 5 units went through, 81 CR score, which is pretty good. 14,000 miles at 14,340 average wholesale value over the past year. You can hit this history button here and get a breakdown, condition, mileage, time, all that stuff. And that one's probably my favorite because I can see, okay, August was the last time they actually sold one and it went for 10.8. Yikes. That's not great. So that's our three main aggregates here.